What's going on, guys? Another year, another GoPro. So the images for the GoPro HERO11 Black just leaked, and alongside it the all-new GoPro 11 Mini. The new GoPros are rumored to have an upgraded 27 megapixel sensor. Even with the bigger sensor though, video quality is rumored to surprisingly stay the same. The new sensor supposedly allows an even wider field of view. This will be great when shooting POV or when just trying to fit the whole view in frame. Besides the sensor upgrade, the HERO11 Black looks exactly the same as the 10. On the software side of things, I'm sure that they will add more settings and customizability, probably also improve the way the camera operates, better in-house image and video improvements maybe, hopefully more settings like super view in all formats and frame rates. And maybe we'll get an even better stabilization, if it can even get better. Who knows? GoPro might surprise us with a nifty new software feature just like the HERO7 did, like when the 7 changed the stabilization game. Looking into the 11 Mini, it's unknown if it will be capable of shooting in the same quality as the 11 Black. I feel like it will be able to, but as of this time it is unknown. As far as the design goes, this model will not have any screens whatsoever. The battery itself is also built in. The front lens is removable and there appears to be only 2 buttons. A Wi-Fi phone connection button and a record button. I believe that the Mini will be perceived as the smaller and more budget-friendly version of the 11 Black, sort of like how the GoPro Session was for the Hero 4/5. Expected release date for these models could be anywhere from late September to early October. Well, there you have it, guys. Nothing too crazy this year, but I am looking forward to see what the HERO11 lineup will bring to the table. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps and supports me. Thank you, guys. Peace out.